Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can change the cart icon of the refresh theme. Firstly, I will show you how you can add the prestige theme cart icon to the refresh theme. Okay, let's move. Here is the dashboard, and from here I will simply go to the edit code, and from here you need to search icon cart, and you can see these two options: icon cart empty dot liquid and icon cart dot liquid. We will have to update this to file code. Okay, let's update the first the icon cart empty liquid. Okay, and here you can see the SVG icon code. Okay, let's copy this Prestige theme icon, SVG icon. Click here, and then here is the SVG icon. I will copy it, and we'll paste it here. And then we'll have to update this class name. Okay, done. And then we will have to remove the previous code. Okay, and save it now. Now, when our card would be empty, this icon will be shown. Okay, let's try to remove this product. And here you can see the card icon of the Prestige theme is showing here, but it's bigger, right? Okay, we will have to resize it by using CSS code, like here, and click here on the plus, and we reach 30 pixel height, 30 pixel. Okay, we can make it with 25 and height as well at 25. Okay, it's perfect now. And let's copy this code, and we will have to paste it on the base.css. About don't worry about the custom code. I will put this on the description. Paste it at the very bottom. Yeah. And now we will have to update the cart icon when we will have item on our cart. Okay, let's move to that is the icon cart, and we can simply copy from here and paste it here, and then update the class name, or we can keep it same. Okay, it's better to update the class name. And we need to do another thing for the css. Copy this and paste it here, exactly same this, and save. Now everything should be work fine. You can see the cart icon showing fine, and if I add any product, it should be same, but somehow it's getting extra weight. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, we will have to add css on this line as well. Click here with 25 pixel and height 25 pixel. Okay, copy rule and paste it here and save it. and refresh the page and see now it looks good, and the cart icon has been changed. You can also use the cart icon from various websites like free SVG icons, and you will get many websites like this. And here you can search the cart icon. Yeah, you can add anyone like this, uh, and download in SVG file. Okay, it has been. And now after download it in SVG, you need to open this file on your browser like this, and right click on mouse, inspect, and from here again right click on your mouse, edit SVG, and copy all of this SVG code and paste it on your targeted file, right? I have pasted it here, and we need to update this class on this SVG as well. And if I refresh, and this is just for the cart icon empty, when cart will be empty. Okay, okay, let's remove this one and try. Here you can see the icon are not showing. It can happen for many reasons. Here the SPG color maybe is black. Yeah, you can see it's black. We will have to make it white. Okay, how we can do it? Just click here, fill white. Okay, and paste it here. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you.